Alright, what's up guys? So Connor here. So today we're going to do a side view mirror. So I'm going to show you how to replace this. We're going to do the entire housing. Alright, so let's begin. First thing we're going to need to do is remove the door panel. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So you're going to want something like a small pocket screwdriver. It should work fine. So there is a little clip right here. You need to pull that down. So it just has a small latch right here, so you just push this tab down here and then pull it forward and that pops off. And then you have two screws here, but first we'll need to take this cover panel off. Okay, here we go again. Screwdriver. There. Then we have one screw here. Next one is going to be behind this access panel right here. And there's another one behind this access panel here. You can see the slot where you stick the screwdriver in. Drops down. And there's the screw there. So just went ahead and stuck a screwdriver in here. Pry that back. And then we have the other screw there. So remove this screw. This screw here. And then these two. Alright, so now I move those screws. So the two here on top, one here, and one here. Then you're going to take a flathead screwdriver. You're going to stick in the door panel here, and you're just going to pry it. And you're going to pull around the entire circumference of the door. So you'll need to take this panel off here. This is how it clips in. There's a clip here, and a clip there. It just needs to pull out from the door, just like this. Now we can pull the door panel off. So to remove the door panel, you just simply need to slide it up, like that. And then you will need to disconnect this cable here. This clip here. Be very careful that you don't break these. If you do, you will need to go to the dealer. Pop this tab off here. So if you are going to take this out, it does have a locking tab here, just like on the bottom. And then for this section here, which is this cable, you just need to squeeze these two together and it'll pop at the top. And then this, you just push this down and this wire harness will pop off. Next we need to take this off. So push this tab here, it's out, undo these 10s, 1, 2, 3, and you'll be able to pop the mirror. Okay guys, that light is actually not these two, it's actually these little ones. So 1, 2, 3, they were 8mm on my vehicle, so go ahead and pop those nuts off, and your old mirror will pop right off. Here it is. Let's go ahead and look at the mirror I'm going to be putting in. Alright, so here's the new mirror, TYC. There it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it on. So little note, if you are feeling adventurous, you do not need to take these off to take off these three. But the reason you need to take the door panel off is you do need to unplug this. And you can't think of any way to unplug this without pulling the door panel. So before putting everything back together, I suggest plugging this back in, plug in this harness, don't worry about these for now, and test it, make sure this mirror works, the new one. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so now I just connected this. And now we're gonna see if it works. Looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back together. All right, so now we have this thing adjusted. One final check. Looks good to me. So this was the aftermarket mirror, and I think it was only about $55 from Amazon. So you can buy this, or you can buy the one that matches the paint to your vehicle for about $400 to $500. I don't know, choice is up to you. Anyway, Colorado out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.